Hi, in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about what is WireGuard VPN. So, what is WireGuard VPN? As an example, WireGuard, first of all, is a modern, fast, and secure VPN protocol and software that is designed to be simpler and more efficient than older VPN protocols like OpenVPN and IPsec. For the people that don't know what is that exactly, it's not very important. It's just some old versions of VPNs that it is used or still used in some VPNs right now. I don't want to give some names. So for this WireGuard, it is very good. Why? What makes like WireGuard special? It is very extremely like fast because it's used like the modern cryptography. It's very simple. The lines of code of it, if you see it, it's I guess around 4,000 something like that. I don't remember quietly, but for others like OpenVPN, it's more than 100,000. So basically here, this is easier for audits or security laws. So if there's an issue, it can be fixed very fast. Of course, it's more secure and it can work across very platforms or any other system like Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, and always in connection. Like it's ideal for mobile devices that frequently changes network and it's minimal resources usage. It's used large or sorry, just few or minimal, the most minimal resources usage depending or compared to other VPN. So of course it works basically, it creates like a peer-to-peer encrypted tunnel between device or devices using secure shell, was using basically the public and private keys like secure shell, SSH, if you've heard of this before. And of course, the popular VPN services that uses this wire guard, one of the most known is NordVPN. Of course, you may say, oh, NordVPN uses Nord Linux as an example, so the Nord Linux, but this Nord Linux is just a modified version of WireGuard. Of course, there are other VPN tools that uses WireGuard like Malvad as an example, and also there's the Surfshark as an example. This one also uses the WireGuard. There is the iVPN as an example. This one also uses the same, and the one of the most known one is Proton VPN, also uses WireGuard. So, as a summary, of course, WireGuard is the next gen VPN protocol known for being faster, more secure, and easy to maintain than its preceders or the previous ones. It's become, of course, the go-to choice for many privacy-focused users and also VPN providers. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.